Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image in Canva. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a stock photo from their image library to use as an example. And so my goal today is to remove everything in this photo except for the woman doing the yoga pose. So basically what you want to do, there's a menu that pops up here if you highlight the picture. So click on the picture, and you'll see that you have an edit photo option. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to bring up the Magic Studio section. Okay, so right here is your background remover. It says BG remover. And this is what you're going to click on to remove everything except for the woman. So I'm just going to click that button, and you can see how quickly it does that. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds, but on this one it was pretty quick. So, and now I'm left with just the person in the photo, which is what I want. So now in order to download it, I need to click download over here, and I want to choose PNG. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to have it download with the transparent background. So I don't want the white box back here to show up like it would for a JPEG. So I'm going to click this transparent background button, and that will make sure that it comes downloaded without a background at all. If you choose a JPEG, it's automatically going to download it with a white background. But with the PNG and having this option here checked, it will download it without any background. So I'm going to download that. And then I'm going to click on it, and you can see that it's exactly what I wanted. The entire background is gone. It's very clean, and it literally takes 2 minutes to do that, not even. So I hope that helps. If you want to pay for the pro version of Canva, it gives you a lot more options. I use Canva every single day, multiple times a day. So for me, the cost is minimal compared to how much I use it. So it's worth it for me. I like to be able to upload my own fonts. I like to be able to use all of the features that Canva offers. And being able to change the size of my project in the middle of the project is really helpful. Getting that transparent background. I use this quite a bit when I remove backgrounds. So for me, it's totally worth it.